Hey everyone! Welcome back to the VidAU channel. Today, I will show you the future of video marketing and how you can easily create stunning video ads directly from a product URL using the VidAU AI Video Generator. Simply paste your product URL into VidAU, and you'll quickly and efficiently get an engaging video ad. If you're looking to improve your online advertising, don't miss out. Let's get started. The first step is to access the VidAU AI website and log into your account. If you're new, you can easily create a free account and start exploring. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard with various options. Now that we're on the VidAU dashboard, click on URL to video ads. Then you will see a link text box, which prompts you to enter your product link to generate video. With VidAU, you can use Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy product links to generate videos. All you need is the URL of your product. Go to your e-commerce site and copy the product page link. For this example, I'm using a sample product URL from Amazon. After you copy the product link, return to VidAU and paste the product URL into the link box. Then click Generate Videos. VidAU's AI will automatically analyze the product page link to extract key information like product name, product description, image, video, and product details. You can modify and supplement the product details automatically extracted by AI according to your needs, upload more images or videos, and if there is no problem, click Next to continue. VidAU will use the product details to automatically generate video scripts and visuals for you. You can select visual style, includes video length, language, define target audience. If customization is complete, click Next. Then you can choose the AI-generated script you like or use your own video script, and click Next to go on. Wait for AI to generate video for you. In just a few seconds, you'll several AI-generated video ad draft templates ready to preview and customize. You can preview these videos and choose the one that meets your needs. If you are not satisfied with the currently displayed video template, you can click Generate More. If you find a suitable video and are satisfied with it after previewing, you can directly click Render to export the video. If you want to customize the video ad details, you can click Edit in the upper right corner of the video template to enter the video editing. You can make any adjustments to the script, voiceover, background music, images, AI avatar, or visual style. VidAU allows you to tailor the video for your brand with simple clicks. After you are done customizing your video, you can preview it, and once you're happy with the video, go ahead and hit the render. The video is generated successfully. You can click My Content to view, download, and share your video ad to YouTube, TikTok, X, Facebook, Instagram, or other platforms. And that's it. You've created a professional video ad from just a product URL without any editing skills or complicated software. Now you're ready to launch your video ad campaign and boost your sales. Thanks to VidAU AI Video Generator, anyone can create powerful video ads quickly and easily. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on video marketing and AI-powered tools. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Click the link below the video to start creating video ads with VidAU today. Thank you for watching, and happy video creation!